In this video, I'll be talking about how to create a slip when you sell and supply your manufactured products. Go to Inventory 1, Sales, Sales again, and New Sales. First of all, select the date when the products are taken out from factories or warehouses. Enter customer or vendor which you made transaction with. I'm going to go with countdown as an example, and which location the products are taken out of. And then search by item code, name, or keyword. Select items what you have sold. Fill the blanks such as quantity, price, and remarks if it is necessary. And lastly, click the Save/Print button at the bottom. As soon as you click the Save button, inventory balance of certain items decrease, and we can print this invoice out immediately. Click the Print button at the bottom, we can print it out. In order to check the inventory balance, go to Inventory 1, Reports, Inventory Balance menu, and click the Search button. This is our inventory balance in ECOUNT ERP.